Top 5 apps like Clara San Diego Boutique reviews that actually work today. Clara San Diego Boutique is known for stylish and unique clothing, but most people get this wrong by not exploring other verified fashion apps. The surprising truth is there are apps that provide curated clothing, verified reviews, and reliable shipping. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Poshmark offers pre-owned and new fashion with verified user reviews. Users love unique finds and seller transparency. Second, Depop features independent designers and trendy clothes. Customers highlight secure transactions and authentic styles. Third, Revolve provides premium clothing and accessories with verified reviews. App users enjoy fast shipping and curated collections. Fourth, Zara combined modern fashion with verified customer feedback. Users appreciate accurate sizing and consistent quality. Finally, ASOS offers a wide variety of brands and trusted reviews. Users report excellent style variety and promotions. Pro tip: always check verified reviews and size charts before purchasing. This helps avoid returns and ensures satisfaction. Using these 5 apps, you can shop safely for trendy clothing while enjoying verified reviews and secure delivery.